Hey guys, it's your own boy, the one-eye Great Dane, back with day 473 Star Drop opening. So, we are on to the double Star Drops part of the event, as we have reached the milestone, so it should be a bit more exciting now. So, let's see what we have.
Rare.
Starting with a rare, 50 coins.
Rare.
Another rare of 100 XP doublers.
Super rare.
Super rare of 100 coins.
Mythic.
Mythic. That's 200 power points.
Mythic.
Another mythic. Okay, 100 bling. I think you could get out of even a super rare, but that's alright.
Rare.
Another rare of 20 bling. Is bling really that hard to get though? Am I missing something? That feels like a very small amount for a mythic star drop. Maybe I'm tripping though, I don't know. Anyway, we have 4 days left for the Gruesome Gust challenge here. We have Payload Iron Center, as well as Zombie Plunder Daylight Robbery. And I think I remember all the Zombie Plunder maps pretty well from when it was Present Plunder instead of Zombie Heads. And we have Knockout 5v5, Sizzling Chambers. Again, I still don't really play too much 5v5, but not much else interesting going on here. Quick reminder that there's about a week left until Ranked is done, and again, I'd say even if you're up to Legendary like me, you probably want to allow yourself at least a day to try and push up to Masters if you're doing it with randoms at the very least, because you just have no idea how that's going to go, and that could take a while. So again, the other thing is, if you've gotten the skin, which I just so happened to get, again, I guess this is technically spoilers, but I'll pull it up here.
Sugar Rush
The
Crush!
Malicious Mandy skin, apparently you're supposed to, they said it in a post, I don't even know if they remember how they planned on doing the compensation, but if you didn't get Malicious Mandy and you reached Legendary during this season and Ranked, apparently you're supposed to get it. So I'm not sure if there's any fallback reward, unfortunately. So if you did get Malicious Mandy, that's actually a bad thing, essentially, because you're losing out, right, on what could have been some other reward. But yeah, it's alright. And again, I'll just pull up the news here to show you guys. Again, a nice reminder that the Brawl Talk just dropped today, so you guys can get a sneak peek on what'll be in the next season. Again, I think it's pretty obvious from the picture here, but if you guys haven't seen it, I won't spoil it for you guys. Pretty good video, interesting content. Looking forward to the new season. Again, I hope there's not too much. I know they were planning for it already, so they didn't really have as much time for the community feedback anyway, but it is another event with limited time stuff, so again, depending on how you guys feel about that, but I still think it should be exciting regardless. So we still have the gem and coin chain, but again, don't really care all that much about that. It's alright deals, but it's just a shame to spend money on resources in the game. We have pretty much all the same skins as well since yesterday. We have a daily freebie of 60 XP doublers, as well as 10 power points. And I'm thinking very likely tomorrow. But first, I'll just say I have 320 XP doublers and 98,501 power points. But I'm thinking tomorrow what I'm probably going to do, just for the sake of convenience, since every single play here is a star drop, what I might end up doing is the same thing I usually do for the end of season rank star drops, is I might just take a picture and then show you guys all the rewards that I got, because it's just so much easier than having to keep cutting and stopping and starting a video. Plus, if I have it in the background, it actually lags my game. And again, when this is an actually competitive challenge, again, you guys gotta remember there's actually losses here. And I don't have any gems, and I don't want to buy gems, so I'd really prefer to make it to the end here with, again, potentially 3 losses. So that's probably what I'm going to do, but see, again, I know I'm uploading a bit late here. I am recording every day, I'm just not uploading every day, simply because I'm trying to prioritize getting a fair amount of sleep, and some days it's just easier to have more time to just do all the uploads at once rather than if it's already late like it is right now. So again, you probably won't even see this until the next day, but again, glad you guys are enjoying the content for the most part. And you can notice the I don't even know what you'd call it, wormhole, black hole, something, interdimensional rift. Again, it really does look like something from Fortnite, but it's getting bigger every day, so I don't know exactly what's going to happen. And again, if you guys didn't notice, there's additional jump scares if you tap this book. Again, I'm not going to show it here for the sake of time, but you can do it for yourselves if you really want to, or just watch someone else do it. But other than that, let's see how far I can take this, guys.